Hello po at magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay November 28, 2022, Monday, the last Monday of November. At 27 days na lang, Pasko na. Mabuhay po kayo at welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating balita ay tungkol sa TRO ng SMC sa Court of Appeals regarding dun sa SMC Meralco deal, yung power supply agreement nila. Ako po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Binabalita ko po araw-araw ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gusto ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market o sa wealth management, i-comment niyo lang po sa comment box at aking ipa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, November 28, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, ang ating financial headlines ay galing po sa BDO Securities. Budget deficit widens to 99.1 billion in October. Philippine GDP growth over 7% this year may lead ASPAC growth next year. DMCI Homes, SCC seem to do well in 2023. So mamaya tingnan po natin si DMC at si SCC. And then, DOE expects completion of natural gas projects by first quarter 2023, which is good news. Okay, Jerry launches 1.3 billion luxury village in Cavite. Jerry is Global Estate Resorts. And finally, SMC Power Unit wins 60-day TRO from the Court of Appeals. Ito po ang ating main news. So I will just be reading the summary from BDO Securities. The Court of Appeals granted a 60-day temporary restraining order sought by SMC, which in effect will temporarily halt the implementation of the 670 megawatt fixed-priced power supply agreement between SMC subsidiary South Premier Power Corp and Meralco. Meanwhile, the 17th Division of the Court of Appeals is yet to decide on the petition for certiorari separately filed by San Miguel Energy Corp. Energy Regulatory Commission Chair Mona Lisa Dimalanta said this could expose about 7.5 million Meralco customers in Metro Manila and adjacent areas to higher electricity prices as the fixed-rate PSAs could no longer be enforced. For its part, MER said it would follow up on the DOE on its prior request to immediately secure additional power supply without going through the required competitive selection process to shield customers against volatile and potentially higher spot market prices. Yan po ang ating main news. So nagkaroon po ng TRO si SMC to halt the implementation of the power supply agreement or PSA between San Miguel and Meralco. Kasi yung PSA fixed rate po yan na-agree na po yan beforehand. Pero San Miguel wanted a higher rate dahil nagbago na po ang environment, nagbago na po ang presyo ng fuel sa world market, nagkaroon na rin po ng inflation, kaya po siya gusto niyang i-renegotiate. So ang ginawa niya, nag-TRO po siya sa Court of Appeals para ma-stop po yung implementation na yan. Pero meron pang isang angle po yan, and this could expose Meralco customers to higher electricity prices dahil ang gagawin ni Meralco para mapunuan yung kakulangan sa power na pinapahinto ni SMC, no, ay kukuha siya ng additional power supply at current prices. Hindi na yung murang price ng pre-agreed, no, power supply agreement. Kaya po, maaring tumaas po yung presyo ng kuryente ng mga Meralco customers. Yun po ang kwento dyan. So sana ma-resolve na po immediately ito. Okay. And then we have a question, or we have a comment here, no? Tingnan po natin. I think I saw one. Okay, meron pong isa dito, si Paul Adrian Bernardo. Thanks, sir. Si Louville or Louville. Hello, sir. I watch your stock news every day. New to stock trading po. Ask ko lang po, ano kaya blue chip stock na mag-invest now for long term, mga 3 years po? I'm torn between San Miguel, Ali, or ICT, or even SM. Researching po ng stock na mag-excel po in the next 3 years. Maganda po ang tanong niyo, Miss Louville, ano? And I would go for Ali, ICT, or SM. No? Pero magkano ba ang budget nyo dyan? No? That's the first question. Kung 10,000, you can split it between the three. Pero let me show you some items lang here. No? I think I made a slide for that. Ito po, no? Ito po yung ginawa kong slide regarding long-term stock picks for 2023. It's not necessarily blue chips, but most of them are blue chips. Ngayon, for BDO Securities, meron po siyang recommendation po dito, no? According to BDO Securities, ang nire-recommend niya ay for cyclicals, ito po yung merong seasonal, no? Seasonal po ito. Ito po yung BPI, Metrobank, at SM Prime. Yun po. For consumption stocks, nire-recommend po niya SM, RRHI, at saka Pure Gold. For dividend stocks, it's AREIT, SCC, and LTG. Recommendation po yan sa kanyang equity research noong November 2022. Ngayon po, ang sa akin po naman, ito po naman ang aking picks. No? For banks, my number 1 pick is BDO. Bakit? Kasi po, it is the largest bank in the Philippines and it is properly managed naman. No? Maganda po ang management ng BDO, though hindi po mataas yung kanyang akyat, ay makakaasa po kayong in the coming years ay you will see some capital appreciation on the stock. And the second is utilities. My number 1 pick is Meralco. This is more on capital appreciation and dividends, no? And maganda po ang dividend yield and possible capital appreciation of Meralco, no? And then honorable mentions po si Semirara, Tel, Globe Telecoms, Aboitiz Power at MWC. Kasi po mga essentials po ito ng tao eh. And everybody needs power. Everybody needs telephone or data, di ba? Internet. Everybody needs water. Yan, MWC po yan. Next, sa holding companies naman, my number 1 pick is Ayala Corporation. It's my number 1 blue chip company. And Ayala has a lot of potential. It also has good management. And the profits, it earns profits, no? So, mga magaganda ring piliin, my next best would be SM, LTG, and MPI. Mga mahuhusay na stocks po yan. SM is very good holding company. LTG naman is gives good dividends and capital appreciation. Yung kanyang retail segment ay maganda, no? MPI is also good. It gives good dividend yield also. Ngayon, for the dividend stocks, my number one pick is Erie. Honorable mentions in the SCC, MER, LTG, TEL, Glow, and hindi po ito blue chip company. GMA7 is not a blue chip company, but it gives good dividends. Okay? So yan lang po ang naiba. Yung AREIT and GMA7 which are not blue chip stocks or stocks which are in the index. Okay po? Marami po salamat, Louvel, for your question. Ano? And I suggest that siguro at the moment you just pick 3. Kung mga 10,000 ang budget mo, makaka-invest ka dito. Pero siguro mga 30,000 maganda na po yun na investment amount for long term. Dahil these stocks give good dividends and it provides you with capital appreciation. Okay, so let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange Index on how it performed today. Ang ating PSE Index ay umakyat ng 74.53 points at tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang kanyang pag-akyat. Last Friday, it was 76.46 rather. So, ngayon po ay 1.13% up at paakyat po yung mga indicators o nasa ilalim na po ang ating mga indicators and approaching oversold level, ano? Nasa 72.96 ang ating RSI. Samantala naman ang ating market activity 112 ang umakyat, 77 ang bumaba at 40 ang hindi nagbago. Ang ating all-share index naman ay umakyat ng 0.13%. Samantala, ang mga sectoral indices lahat ay umakyat liban lamang sa properties na bumaba ng 0.58%. Ang pag-akyat ay pinangunahan po ng mining sa 4.21%. Pumangalawa po ang services sa 3.14%. Okay, tingnan po natin ang most active stocks. Ito po ay SM, 1.87% up, followed by Ayala Corporation, Ali, BDO at GTCAP. Pero reviewin po natin si DMC, SCC, tingnan natin si GTCAP, Ayala Corporation, SM at ICT. So, umpisa na po natin kay DMC. TMC ay bumaba po ng bahagya, 0.13 or 13 centavos down, nasa 989, pero from here ay nagkaroon po siya ng recovery from a red engulfing candlestick noong November 10, ay nag-oversold po siya, pero ngayon ay paakyat. Ang ating support ay nandito, nasa 836, samantalang ang resistance ay nandito po sa 1056, ano? At mapapansin po ninyo dito sa DMC meron pong gap down dito na malapit na pong ma-fill. So ito po partially filled na po dahil sa area ito ay umaakyat na po ang kanyang presyo. Next we have Semirara. Semirara kamakailan lamang ay oversold. Ito po, no? October 2, October 8 and 9 hanggang 16 ay oversold po siya. Ngayon ay green engulfing candlestick with a slight above average volume. So hindi ko po masabing breakout po ito, no? Dahil hindi po prominent ang volume, ano? So it's just a little above average. Pero green engulfing candlestick po siya, 2.95 or 2 pesos 95 centavos ang akyat or 9.62%. So again, meron po siya ditong tinatawag nating gap down na malapit na po ma-fill dahil paakyat po ang presyo. In the meantime, ang support nandito po sa 729.46, samantalang ang pinakamalapit na resistance na aking nakikita nandito po sa 39.54. So kung nakabili po kayo dito sa area ito, itong oversold level, mukhang nakaka-recover na po at maaring kumita na po kayo dito. Next is GTCAP. Si GTCAP ay yan. Meron po siyang breakout dito, pero hindi ko po masabing breakout do dahil yung volume niya ay hindi po significant or just a little above average. Pero ngayon, after consolidating for 4 days, nagkaroon po ng breakout and a continuation at nagkaroon po ng reversal sa trend ni GTCAP na dati ay pababa, ngayon po ay paakyat. Yan po ang ating support na sa 390 at nag-gain po siya ng 12 pesos today or 2.62%. Dito po sa area to, noong November 10, oversold po siya at 27. So kung nakabili po kayo dito at the oversold level, maaari kayong kumita or computing natin. Kumita po kayo ng, in 12 days, kumita po kayo ng 23.24% or 88.73 pesos per share. So yan po yung support natin, nasa 390, samantalang ang resistance nandito po sa 500 to 505. Support and resistance, di po yan exact points, ito po ay area. Ngayon po ang RSI po ay overbought, nasa 72.31. So obserbahan lang po ninyo, konting ingat dahil maaring magkaroon po ng reversal anytime soon. Pagkatapos naman si Ayala Corporation, yan. Although hindi significant ngayon, unti-unti po siyang umaakyat. At yung ating moving averages, nasa ilalim na po, no? Yung black, yung short term, yung medium term, at yung black line na long term ay nasa ilalim. And there is a change in the trend, no? From a sideways movement, ngayon po ay turning bullish or sideways to bullish. Ang ating support nandito po sa 599 or close to 600 at ang ating resistance nandito po sa area to nasa 746 ang pinakamalapit na resistance and the lower one would be here at 712. Okay, then SM naman ay, naku, umaakyat si SM. Umaakyat po siya. From a bearish standpoint, ngayon po ay bullish. Oversold po siya noong September 28. At the closing price din was 725. Ngayon po ay nasa 927. So, measure uli natin. If you have bought at that point and up to this point, that would be 41 transaction days, ano? In 42 days, you could have gained 26.94% or almost 27%. So, ang pinaka-support ni SM ay, ito po, dating resistance na ngayon ay support. At dahil umaakyat po siya, ay nagbabago po yung resistance level. Ang next na nakikita kong resistance, nandito po. Let's do a 1 week. Yan. Nandito po sa 966. 975 rather. Ang pinaka-next resistance level po ni SM. At check natin yung fundamentals niya. SM, may target price po siya based on BDO securities ng SM Investments 1,180 or at about 30% upside. Then finally, we have ICT. ICT ay, ooh, green engulfing candlestick, may continuation po siya, no? Dito po ay oversold po siya noong September 30, nasa 20. So, ang closing price po niya noon ay 156, napaka mura, no? At ngayon ay nandito na po siya sa 198. 156 to 198. Measure uli natin nga. So, in how many days ito? In 39 days, merong possible gain na 27% ang pinaka-gain po dito. Yan po. So, tingnan natin. Ang mga indicators natin nasa ilalim, and therefore, from a bearish downtrend, no, umaakyat na po si ICT and bullish na po siya. Support is 177.65 and resistance nandito po, nearest nasa 203. So almost resistance level na po itong si ICT. The next higher would be at 220. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market ika-28 ng Nobyembre. Ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, do your Christmas shopping, and bye for now.